Assalamualaikum and greetings. We are students from SMK Tun Habab. I'm Trisha.
Hi, I'm Alia.
Hi, I'm Mariam.
Hi, I'm Arsha.
Hi, I'm Fatima.
Hi, I'm Siti Aisha.
And I'm Farah. We will be presenting our innovation.
Every day, large amounts of clean water used for ablution in mosques and schools are simply discarded into drains. This results in unnecessary water wastage, especially in countries where water conservation is becoming increasingly important. At the same time, many communities are searching for sustainable solutions to promote environmental awareness and green living.
Therefore, this project aims to solve the following problems. First, wastage of clean ablution water that could be reused for other beneficial purpose. Second, lack of sustainable low-cost system for water recycling in religious and educational settings. 3. Limited awareness and action toward integrating green technology and energy-saving methods in daily life. 4. Insufficient encouragement of physical activity through community-based environmental innovation.
To tackle the problem of water wastage from ablution activities, we introduced AquaCycle, a hand-powered water recycling system. AquaCycle is a compact device that uses a hand crank generator to produce electricity. This clean energy powers the system that collects and stores used ablution water for practical reuse, such as plant irrigation in mosque gardens, school green areas, or community spaces. Unlike conventional systems that depends on electricity or solar panels, AquaCycle operates manually, making it cost-effective, portable, and sustainable. By turning the crank, users generate electricity while actively participating in water conservation and environmental care.
Now, let's look at the main function of AquaCycle. Firstly, AquaCycle collects used ablution water. Secondly, it generates electricity manually using a hand crank generator. Thirdly, it supports sustainable water management. Fourthly, AquaCycle has a portable and compact design that allows it to be installed in various locations. Fifthly, it has low maintenance requirements. Lastly, it promotes environmental education.
This is the prototype of AquaCycle, a manually powered water recycling system. It's designed to filter and reuse ablution water, especially for plant irrigation, using clean and sustainable energy that's generated by hand. Let me explain how it works and the main parts involved. First, we have the hand crank gear system. When we rotate this gear by hand, it spins the DC motor underneath. This process changes our hand movement mechanical energy into electrical energy. Right below the gear, there's the DC motor, also called a dynamo. As we crank the gear, the motor produces electricity, which is then transferred through the wiring system. Here you can see wires. These wires connect the motor to the power switch and also to the water pump. The switch is fixed on the side of the plastic case, and it controls whether the electricity flows to the pump or not. Once the switch is turned on, the water pump gets activated. It pulls water from the container, which stores the used wudu water, and pushes it out through a connected irrigation hose. The hose is flexible and directs the clean, filter water to nearby plants or garden areas, so no water is wasted. So in short, by turning the crank, we generate our own electricity which powers the pump to recycle water. It's simple, eco-friendly, and doesn't need any batteries or electricity supply, just your hand power.
Advantage of AquaCycle is, firstly, saves clean water. AquaCycle allows used ablution water to be recycled for plant irrigation, reducing unnecessary water waste. Secondly, no external electricity required. AquaCycle powered by a hand crank generator. The system functions independently of electricity, perfect for rural areas, outdoor use, or during power outage. Thirdly, eco-friendly and cost-effective because we use recycled materials such as plastic containers and human power energy, making it both sustainable and low cost. Lastly, portable and compact design. AquaCycle is lightweight and easy to transport. AquaCycle can be set up in various locations such as mosques, schools, or community gardens.
Here are the suggestions for improvement. First, you can add an integrated filtration unit. Currently, the system focuses on water collection and pumping. Future versions can include a built-in multi-layered filtration system for more effective water purification. Secondly, we can upgrade the hand crane system. We can improve the ergonomics of the hand crane to make it easier and more comfortable to use, especially for longer durations. Thirdly, we can include a water storage indicator. We can add a simple water level indicator to the container so users can monitor how much recycled water is available. Last but not least, we can install a simple filter maintenance system. We can design a removable filter section so that users can easily clean or replace filter components when needed.